For sale, lot of 4,753 square meters, 1.17 acres, flat terrain with a spectacular view of the Arenal Volcano and surrounded by lush forest. A small river runs through the lower part of the property, which does not flood during the rainy season and always remains at a steady level. This place is also home to sloths, toucans, and small birds all around. It has everything you need to start your next rental project, build the house of your dreams, or even create a spiritual retreat where you can connect with nature in a unique way. Easy access by car to the area, and there are trails throughout the property where you can hear birds singing musical notes. Asking price, 92 million colones, negotiable for cash or transfer. There are no more places like this in La Fortuna. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in this charming place today. Contact us at the number 8469799 to schedule an appointment or for more information through WhatsApp.